is Kenyatta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? So we're gonna be trying some new hairstyles. I know that is just something I don't do. This is me. I always do like a wash and go, or I will do a pineapple to do like errands and stuff. So one of my favorite things to do is Pinterest. I am addicted. There's just so much content on there, so many ideas, so much inspiration. It's like my me time, my self-care at night. Like I find myself, it's like how people are with TikTok. Like that's how I am with Pinterest. I'm just like scrolling through, and one of the things I've been doing is like looking for new hairstyles, like just something different to do with my hair. Because I know like when it's like going on like a date with Jermaine or to a wedding or to an event, I struggle. I'm like, so I guess I'm just gonna do a wash and go, or I'm just gonna push it to the side. Like those are my go-tos. But I've been seeing like people get so creative with like their natural hairstyles and stuff, and I definitely want to expand and like do more. These are simple, so the ones I saw were very simple. I was like, oh, I can do that. So I'm a like post it up, but we're doing 3 different Pinterest inspired natural hairstyles. So let's get into it. I already washed and like prepped my hair. That was the video where I used pattern, and I wanted to follow up with these hairstyles. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I use in case you didn't see that video. Here's the leave-in conditioner. We're gonna kind of refresh with the For You by Tia, and then this is what we're gonna do, like hold the hair on Jackie's Don't Shrink. And I'm all out of my Shine Jam, and I just didn't think to get it before this. I was talking about it yesterday and was too lazy, so we're just gonna use what we have. This Edge Fixer Maximum Hold Sweet Peach. Love-hate relationship with this stuff, but for the purposes of the video, we're gonna make it work. So let's get into it. Yeah, as you can see, like with these hairstyles, a lot of them had the same components. Like, you know, most of them were doing like this slick back in the front using claw clips. So you can like, I say if you stuck and you're trying to figure out something that's a little different, Pinterest. Let's get on Pinterest. So look at these ideas because each hairstyle took a couple of minutes, you know? So this is the easiest one. Like I do throw my hair back in a claw clip, but I've never thought to do like the slick down part, you know? And I could have made it tighter, but I was nervous about pulling my hair back like that. So it's still kind of loose, but it came out cute. So last and final hairstyle. So I showed you guys 3 hairstyles that I wanted to try, and like I want to, you know, try to do these hairstyles when events come up, so there's something different, you know. I don't always look the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed these looks. I hope you get online, look on Pinterest, and try to change it up with your natural hairstyle looks. Comment down below which look was your favorite. So that concludes this video. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.